Let's see how to create a video in Adobe Express. Start on the home page. At the top, you have a few options to open a new project. The first one is Start with your content. When you click it, you can upload a file, and Adobe Express will create the project for you. If you click Generate with AI, it will open a menu with different tools you can use. When you click Explore Quick Actions, it will open the same menu, but in a different tab. You can also start with a template. Just search for what you need and start from there. To go back to the home page, click the Adobe Express logo at the top left. It will bring you back. If you started something and clicked away, it saves automatically. You can find it in the Your Stuff tab. It saves by date and also rename it from your stuff by clicking the three dots and choosing Rename, and change it to something that will help you find it faster by keywords. There are more things you can do with Adobe Express, and you can watch the next video to get inspired. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.